creation of our Creator, and the same part of our Creator is nature. Nature is a giver. It teaches us what is right and wrong for us. It makes us love everyone unconditionally, motivate us to keep going and growing, help us to maintain balance in life, be happy, peaceful, silence is beauty, live in present, and many more. Imagine if this nature start behaving opposite of this, it will destroy everything. So when you get angry, frustrated, irritated, stubborn, egoistic, cry, or complain every time, remember that you are not in your true soul nature. So if you want to energize yourself physically, mentally, emotionally, recharge yourself in nature. Go for walk, meditate, sit in silence, practice laughter. Nature is beautiful, a healing itself, and so as you. Stay healthy, stay happy.